First of all, how cute is this packaging? ISEEHAIR has my most favorite packaging of all time. Every time I get a wig from them, I just fall in love with their packaging. So this is from their Princess collection. Does it get any better than this? I love when brands put love into their packaging. I have the wig. I'll get to that in just a second. They also give you a bonnet. We also have HD wig caps, the best caps. A pamphlet that gives you information about the wig that you're getting. So these are combs and an elastic band in here as well to put inside your wig for extra security. And I think this is probably eyelashes. Yep. And then we have some really cute eyelashes. If you like some good volume and lengthy lashes, these are cute. Here is the wig once you get it out the packaging. We have a 26-inch wig here with some beautiful curls. These curls are really, really bouncy, juicy. They look real good. This is what the lace looks like in the front. It is pre-bleached as well as pre-plucked, and the lace is pre-cut as well. We have it currently styled with a middle part. I'm probably gonna leave it in the middle because y'all know I love my middle parts. And then in the inside of the wig, we have an elastic band here. It says wear and go. You probably can't read that, but it says wear and go. The way the wig is made, we have to put a little bit of emphasis on this because I really like these details. So with the wig, this elastic band is removable, and you actually have 4 slots here that you could put your elastic band in depending on where you want it to sit at. It's adjustable, so you can make it tighter or make it loose. And then it also has some combs on the side as well as one in the back, and the combs are removable. Some people prefer not to have combs and some people prefer to have them. If you want comfortable daily wear, remove me. I have these 2 little latches here, right? You can just slide it out if you want to take them off. This helps if you are someone who wants to wear your wig every day, but you see those 2 little knots there? That's where you can reattach the combs if you want them. And then you just slide it back in there like that. Now your combs are back attached. So everything basically is detachable. If you want it to be on there, you can let it stay. If not, you can take it off. Everything's made for your comfort needs. I also want to point out that you see how pre-bleached it is and how it's pre-plucked. The knots on these units are really small, so if you do feel the need to go back in and say you want to bleach it a little bit more, you could do so, and it's going to take the bleach really well because the knots are so small. So it makes it blend into your skin a lot easier too, so that way it'll make it look more natural. So since I like to wear my wigs daily, I think that the combs being able to be removed is a great feature because sometimes you just don't want those combs against your scalp or against your hair in general, and I think it makes for a healthier hair underneath and then also just better for comfort. The last thing is they have made the wigs where they are defined, so it will sit perfectly behind your ear, so you won't feel like your wig is falling right over your ear. It's supposed to sit comfortably, so that way it doesn't distract you or bother you throughout the day while you're wearing it. So I'm gonna go off camera and add a little bit of tint spray to my lace. Okay, now let's finish. Let's get these little pieces tamed away up here because we do have just a little bit of flyaways, but I'm gonna fix that with a little bit of mousse and probably my edge pomade stick. Tame everything because I really love the curl pattern I have. I'm probably going to finger comb it just to kind of get a little bit more fullness. I do like for my curly hair to be a little bit big, so that's why I'm gonna just kind of pull the pieces apart a little bit. They have other hair textures in the Princess collection with the same features of the pre-bleached already plucked tiny knots, 9x6, removable combs, as well as that shaped ear tab. So if you're not a curly hair girl, they do have some other options for you. Let me give a zoomed out view. This hair has some water and mousse on it at the moment. The hair looks beautiful both ways. You can definitely wear it dry out of the pack, or you can put water on it like I did. I added a little bit of mousse too, just to tame it and hold it in the one spot. But this is like semi-dry because it's not soaking wet. It just has a little bit of water in it at the moment. So this wig has a lot of key features when you get the wig. It has the comfortable ear tab, so it falls directly right behind your ear. You see that on both sides. It also has those removable combs that I mentioned at the beginning, so you can wear them for everyday wear, or if you want just more comfortable wear. I like the fact that some people don't like to have combs and some people do, so I like that this wig has that option. This unit is nice and full. I love the curls. Very easy to wear, very low maintenance. You don't have to do too much to it. I wouldn't say that this has layers in it, and since it's a curly unit, I don't feel like it needs that many. So if you do want to cut some layers into it, you would have to go in and chop it just a little bit more. The lace, of course, with it coming pre-plucked, pre-bleached, the small knots, pre-cut, all those key features are amazing in the unit, especially if you're someone who doesn't want to do a lot. Once you get a wig, you just want to be able to straight up receive it and wear it out the package. This is going to be one of those units for you. They do a lot of the work for you so that you can easily purchase it and wear it and go. It's one of those quick and easy 5-minute installs, and for real, it will take you about maybe 10 minutes max, especially if you wore it prior day. It's already pre-styled. You just put it back on and you can head out the door. Of course, we have to do a back view, and I can't let the video go by without mentioning that this unit is on completely glueless. I have on no glue with this unit right now, and look at the melt, look at the blend. It looks so good. Our little hair stuck right here, but this wig looks amazing. And this is a 9x6 lace closure, so it stops right above your ear, so you don't have to worry about attaching any lace near your ear tabs. And you can also just have like your edges out and it will be protective that way. This is what the wig looks like. You see it's glueless. Bring it forward a little bit, push it back, and it blends right onto your skin. Come on now. It doesn't get any better than that. I'm going to have all the key features and details about this unit in my description bar below. I'll have the direct link as well. Thank you to ISEEHAIR for sending over today's unit. Thank you guys for watching. My rating is a 9 out of 10 for this unit. Let me know your rating. Thank you to ISEEHAIR for sending over today's unit, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.